Hello, my dear students. Today, a very interesting chapter we are going to study is The King's Choice, chapter number 1.4. There was once a lion who was king of the forest. Now, here the story goes like that in one forest there was the king of the jungle, and that is the lion. He was big and strong and very fierce. So, how was he? He was big, strong and very fierce. Fierce means wild. So these all are the adjectives, right, of King Lion. All the other animals in the forest called him king. They brought him gifts from every corner of the forest. Now since he was the king, every member or every animal used to bring him some or the other thing to eat from the forest. But the more the lion had, the more he wanted. So जितना ज़्यादा उसको मिलने लगा, he wanted more. A king must have a coat, he said to himself one day. So he said to himself once that he just thought of having a coat. Coat is sabha wherein he'll have the ministers who will guide and advise him. So he called a fox to his side. So he called the fox. So what is the quality of the fox? He is very wise, right? You are known to be wise and clever creature, fox, said the lion. I want you to be my advisor. So you be my advisor, said the lion. The lion said, you be my advisor. You advise me of the things to be done. Thank you, your majesty, said the fox, bowing low. So the fox said, oh, thank you so much. I will be your advisor. Bowing low is showing respect. Sir jhukha ke. The lion next called a leopard to be to his side. Then next he called the leopard. Leopard, we all know that leopard is the fastest animal. Yes, very fast and watchful, alert. You are known to be watchful and swift of foot, leopard. I want you to be my bodyguard. So the lion says that the leopard should be his bodyguard. Why bodyguard? Because the leopard is fast, alert, so that he can safeguard the lion. Correct. Then the lion then called a vulture to his side. Then the vulture who flies high up in the sky. You are a bird vulture and you can fly high. You are to be my messenger. Messenger means the one who gives and sends the messages, right? Thank you, your majesty. Majesty is here, it is referred to the king, said the vulture, bowing low. Now, the fox, the vulture and the leopard took an oath of loyalty to the king. Oath of loyalty means they will be loyal. Oath means they are promising that they will be loyal to the king. The king promised to give them food and protection. Now, the lion promised that he will give them food as well as protection in the jungle. Yes, children, are you understanding? Okay. For some time, all went well in the court of the Lion King. The three courtiers never opposed the king. Courtiers means the people who are working there. So, who are there now? Which animals? Leopard, then fox and vulture. So, they never opposed, they never went against the wishes of the king. So, his wishes were law. Whatever the Lion King said, they were agreed. Whenever he rode, they stood in awe. Awe means respect or feeling of fear. Yes. Whenever he took a walk, they all followed him. So, whenever the lion used to just roam around, these three courtiers used to just go behind him. When the Lion King went hunting, they found the animals for him to kill. So, when the lion used to go for hunting, these three animals used to see which animals are there for the hunting. Yes, they used to find out the animals. And after he had meal, he left the remains for them, so they always had enough to eat. For example, if they are finding some big animal, so first the lion will eat and then remaining part will be eaten by these three. One day the vulture came back from a flight. So one day the vulture came back from flying. Flight is flying. Your majesty, have you ever eaten a camel? So he asked the lion, have you eaten a camel? आपने कभी camel खाया है? Your Majesty, have you eaten a camel? He asked. It is very tasty. I ate it once in the desert. So he said that I have tasted once. Yes, the camel lives in the desert. The lion had never seen a camel, but he liked the idea of trying camel's meat. Yes, how can the lion see? He has never met the camel, because camel lives in the desert. But where can we get a camel? He asked. The lion asked the vulture. Where can we get the lion? There is a desert some miles away, said the vulture. So the vulture said that the last camel is staying in a desert. I was flying over it when I saw a lone camel not far away. It looked big and fat. So he said, the vulture said that he saw a lone camel. Lone means alone, akela. And it was very big and fat. The lion looked at his other advisors. So who were the advisors? Right, leopard and fox. They were wise and experienced. He wanted their opinion. वो क्या चाहते हैं, वो क्या बोल रहे हैं. Should we go and attack the camel? Now the fox and the leopard did not know the desert. उनको desert पता ही नहीं था, because they were the jungle animals. But they did not want the vulture to seem wiser than them. But उनको नहीं चाहिए था कि vulture होशियार दिखे उनके सामने, इसीलिए उन लोगों ने झूठ बोल दिया कि हाँ चलो चलो जाते हैं. So they said, since it was the vulture's idea, he should lead the way. So very smartly, what did they say? They said that vulture का idea है ना, तो vulture ही हमको रास्ता दिखाएगा. Early next morning, the lion and his court started off on the camel hunt. So the next day, they all went for the camel search. They reached the edge of the desert easily. So desert के border तक आ गए. But after they left the shelter of the forest, the day became very hot. The sun shone down with fire hot rays. गर्मी होने लगा. Desert में climate कैसा रहता? Temperature is very high, and the sun was shining very brightly, and the animals were tired now. High in the cooler air, the vulture flew, but the vulture was not having any problem. Since it was flying high up, it was cooler. Hurry along, he called. The camel is not far off. So he said, chalo chalo, hurry up. The camel is not far off, nazdiki hai. But the lion could not hurry anymore. Lion tired हो गया गर्मी की वजह से, and धूप में उसका पैर सब छिल गया. So he said, no, I cannot hurry up. The hot sand had burned his paws. He could go no farther. उसने बोला, no, I cannot go further now. My paws are burnt. Stop, he shouted to the others. So he said, stop, enough. Let us go back to the forest. I do not care to try camel meat. उसने बोला, no problem, I don't want to eat camel. Let us all go back. Now what is the problem here? The vulture knows the way. Only he knows the way. But the leopard and fox are not knowing the way. So the lion's kings were frightened. अभी डर गए. The forest was far behind them, and they did not know how to get the lion back home. उनको रास्ता पता नहीं, so that is why they were very much scared, frightened. The leopard wanted to run away. The vulture wanted to watch and wait and eat the lion later on. So the vulture wanted that, yes, they all will run away. The lion will be alone and I can eat the lion's meat. But the clever fox thought of a plan. Off into the desert he ran, saying, I will bring some help. Since we all know the fox is very wise, so he had a plan and he ran into the desert. After running for some time, the fox found the camel. The camel was indeed surprised to see him. So after running for some time, he saw the camel. The camel was very surprised to see the fox near him. So बोला, अरे ये desert में fox कैसे आ गया? Hurry up, my friend, said the fox. Our king wants you at once. तो fox बोला, चलो चलो आ जाओ, हमारा king को आपसे मिलना है. Your king? Said the camel. Who is that? कौन है आपका king? I do not know any king. I only know my master for whom I carry goods across the desert. मुझे नहीं पता आपका king कौन है. I just know one master for whom I am working. Our king, the lion, has killed your master. So now the fox is saying a lie. What is he lying? That The lion has killed the master. Now you are alone. You are free to go anywhere. So you come and meet the king. Now you are free and the lion has invited you to live at his court. Come along. So very smartly the fox invited the camel. But actual में इन लोग camel को क्यों बुला रहे थे? So that they wanted to eat it. But the fox was very wise. Very wisely and smartly he invited the camel. The camel followed the fox. When the fox and the camel reached the lion's camp, the vulture and the leopard were surprised. They were surprised. अरे वाह, इसने लाया कैसे camel को? Even the lion looked pleased in spite of his burned paws. पैर जले हैं फिर भी खुश हो गया lion. आह, camel खा सकता हूँ मैं अभी. The camel was presented to the king. He agreed to serve the lion in return for a home at his court. So the camel said, yes, I will be your courtier, but you need to give me home. Get on the camel's back, your majesty, said the fox, we will return home. तो fox ने क्या बोला, इसके ऊपर बैठ जाओ आप, camel के ऊपर आप बैठ जाओ और हम लोग जाते हैं जंगल. The lion at once jumped on the camel's back. His courtiers, the fox and the leopard, jumped up behind him. So सब लोग आ गए. And with the vulture flying ahead as a guide, they set off on a long journey back to the forest. And the vulture was their guide and they were going back to the jungle, forest. When the travelers reached the forest, they were all tired and hungry. अभी उन लोग सब hungry थे. They were tired because they had walked so much. The fox, the leopard and the vulture looked at the camel. Then they looked at each other and smiled hungry smiles. So they looked at each other. उन्होंने एक दूसरे को देखा और कैमल को देखा और उन लोग एकदम कनिंगली स्माइल करने लगे कि वाह, now I am going to eat this camel. They had brought the camel for the king's dinner. Now it's time for the feast. अभी पार्टी मनाने का टाइम आ गया है, कैमल आ गया है. Now we can eat up this camel. The lion king knew what his courtiers were thinking. So lion was smart enough. So lion को समझ गया कि इन लोग सोच क्या रहे हैं. He called the camel to him. So he had some thought. So he called the camel and he said, "Friend camel," he said, "I have to thank you for saving my life. You are welcome to live at my court as long as you like. I promise you my protection." वाह, गेम चेंज हो गया, प्लान चेंज हो गया. अभी लायन क्या बोल रहा है, यू आर माई फ्रेंड कैमल, आप मेरे घर पे हमेशा रह सकते हो, जब तक आपको रहना है, आपको कोई नहीं सताएगा, आप यहाँ पे सुरक्षित हो. नाउ द अदर courtiers were shocked. What was their plan? To eat up the camel. But here the king is saying that he will be safe. Now how the courtiers can go against the wishes of the king? Yes. The lion's courtiers were shocked. Had they not risked their lives so that he could try camel meat? And the king wanted to let the camel live. तो कैमल को अभी ज़िंदा रखने को बोल रहा है लायन. हम लोगों ने तो हमारा पूरा लाइफ को धोखे में डाल दिया था वो गर्मी में जाके. The courtiers were not pleased with his decision, yet they could do nothing. तो उन लोग को तो पसंद नहीं आया ये डिसीजन, बट कुछ कर सकते थे क्या? Nothing. Now, the lion's paws were so badly burnt that he could not go for hunting. But that did not keep him from growing very hungry indeed. So, since he was unwell, उसके पैर जले थे, तो he could not go for hunting. But इसका मतलब ये है क्या कि वो भूखा रहेगा? No. Fox, leopard, vulture, he shouted. He called all the courtiers. Don't you see that I am ill and hungry? Go and get me some food. आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है कि मुझे इतना भूख लगा है? जाओ मेरे लिए कुछ खाना ले आओ. The courtiers had to obey the king. So out they went, but they did not go far. सब लोगों ने courtiers ने अब obey किया orders of the lion and बाहर गए और फिर वहाँ पे उन्होंने कुछ बात किया. They sat down in a safe place and discussed what they could do. और सोचा कि अरे अभी हम क्या कर सकते हैं. I know, said the fox after a while. Yes, as we know, the wise fox, लोमड़ी, क्या उसने कुछ सोचा. उसने बोला अरे मेरे पास एक आइडिया है. वी शैल मेक द कैमल आस्क टू बी ईटन. हम लोग ऐसा कुछ प्लान करेंगे जिसमें कैमल खुद से बोले कि मुझे आप खा जाओ. He told the others of his plan. They all agreed. So back they went to the king. So सबने ये प्लान को अग्री किया and they went back to their king. First the vulture stepped forward. Vulture आए and he said, Your Majesty, he said bowing low, we have found no food but we cannot let your Majesty suffer. I am a poor creature, eat me. See? वल्चर क्या बोल रहा है, हमको तो कुछ एनिमल्स मिला ही नहीं, आप एक काम करो, आप मुझे खा लो. बट डू दे रियली मीन दैट? क्या वो सच में यही चाहता था? नहीं. दे हैड अ प्लान. द फॉक्स पुश्ड द वल्चर असाइड. आई हैव मोर मीट ऑन मी, ही क्राइड. ईट मी योर मैजेस्टी. नाउ फॉक्स आया. फॉक्स ने वल्चर को साइड में ढकेल दिया और बोला, नहीं नहीं, आप मुझे खाओ, मेरे पास तो बहुत मीट है, आप मुझे खाओ, यू विल बी हैप्पी. नाउ द लेपर्ड रश्ड फॉरवर्ड. नाउ वापस तीसरा कौन आ गया? लेपर्ड. आई एम नॉट मच गुड, ही क्राइड, बट आई कुड मेक अ मील फॉर द किंग. वो ऐसा एक्ट करते, मेरा तो खाना उतना अच्छा नहीं रहेगा, बट आप मुझे खा लो. द कैमल लिसन टू ऑल दीज ऑफर्स, ही मस्ट डू एज मच, ही थॉट. कैमल ने सोचा, अरे ये सब कोटियर्स इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं किंग के लिए, मुझे भी कुछ करना चाहिए. योर मैजेस्टी, ही सेड, आई टू एम विलिंग टू गिव माई लाइफ फॉर यू. प्लीज ईट मी इंस्टेड ऑफ दीज ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स ऑफ योर्स who will be more useful than I am. See, camel, poor camel. What did he say? आपके तो ये बहुत जूनियर फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनको मत खाओ, आप मुझे खा लो, मैं तो नया ही हूँ. Yes. This is what the fox, the leopard and the vulture were waiting for. यही तो चाहते थे, उनका ये प्लान ही था कि कैमल खुद से बोले मुझे खा जाओ. They prepared to jump at the camel, but the lion stopped them. उनका प्लान था कि yes, now we can jump on the camel, but the lion stopped. You are all good and loyal subjects, he said. My heart is touched by your offers. मैं बहुत खुश हो गया कि आप लोग मुझे इतना प्यार करते हैं, that you are sacrificing your life. I accept them all. What is the lion saying? हाँ, मैं आप सबका खाना accept करूँगा. लाइन बाय लाइन आओ, मैं आप सबको खा जाता हूँ. I shall eat you in the order in which you offered yourselves. The vulture, the fox and the leopard were shocked. So पहला vulture आया, फिर fox आया, leopard आया. Yes, वही लाइन में सब लोग उन लोग शॉक हो गए. अरे बाप रे, अभी तो ये कैमल हमें खा लेगा. Away flew the vulture, away ran the fox and the leopard. vulture तो दूर भाग गया और इन लोग भी फास्ट भाग गए. They were never seen in the forest again. फॉरेस्ट में उन लोग कभी नहीं आए. The lion laughed to see them go. Then he turned to the camel and said, see, here also the camel did not run. He was loyal. Yes, though the two animals and one bird took the oath of loyalty, but they were not loyal. But the camel was very loyal and he did not run away. So he was just standing. So the lion said, you have been loyal and good. You shall be my friend as long as we are alive. हम जब तक जिंदा है हम लोग फ्रेंड्स रहेंगे, तुम यहीं रह सकते हो, मैं तुमको प्रोटेक्शन दूंगा. Yes, so don't worry. The camel was happy and grateful, thankful. The lion thought to himself, to be king is good, but to be kind is better. King रहना तो अच्छी बात है, but काइंड रहना ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. किंग तो कोई भी रहेगा, बट वो काइंड नहीं रहा तो कुछ यूजफुल है क्या? नो, वी ऑल शुड बी वेरी काइंड. यस, सो दिस इज द चैप्टर. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड एंड लव्ड दिस स्टोरी. यस चिल्ड्रन, ओके, बाय.